So, naraming ruins. Money Byron nun, 100 ang adult, 70 ang senior. Yeah, so, padong namin susud. Sige, ako nang explore ang ruins. Kung ba't mag-i-exit ka na? Pasok na, Shinj. Yeah, let's go straight. Let's go. We're going to the ruins now. So, morning ruins nila. So, one is paborito ni mga tao dere kung ano is like Bacolod. Yes, dere sila mga ni mag-picture taking by the way. So, by the way, kung kuan bawal drones dere o kung mag-commercial shoot mo na bayad sa na emergency. Pero kung kuan lang, individual, pwede naman. Nice. Oy. There, mauna ang ruins. Welcome. So mauna yung entrance. So by the way, may buong mga duha ni kabuok man yung tawag ni Bothie. Hashtag Bothie. Because Nokia has a dual side camera, so pwede dungan ang dual camera in one video. Yes, here. So, manood tas ruins. And to know the story about this place. Ano the ruins. Oh. Mabrik. At first glance, nagbuong ka mo rabang wala akong manabahe. Oh, dire. So, dahil kami. So, dahil balik yung fresh sugar cane, by the way, dire. Nga magpagkaon. So, yes. Woo! So, pwede gina dire maramig. Oh my God, nandito din na events place. Pwede lang magkasal dire ba? Daghan o pakasal dire. Yeah. So nice. Awa. Beautiful. May fountain, may mga mag-uyab. So daghan mag-date dire. So napag yung restaurants, by the way. Restaurant, so pwede din 300 pesos yung entrance. Consumable siya sa restaurant. So later mag-picture taking ko, pero yeah, nawasin in a place. So very romantic, very nice. It's a well-kept place. So this is the beauty of this Nokia 6.1 Plus is running both Bothie, so you can see both sides. So now, very nice. Wow. Yeah, need to picture on. So ako sa picture dire. Yeah, very nice. So a lot of people come here. So muna affordable naman doon siya. It's doon siya sa city. So bitaw kung naa mo dito sa Bacolod, hapit mo ani. And create a lot of good memories, good photos. Because mana lingaw ni yung lugar. So atong hibaw-on sa istorya ning the ruins. The ruins of the mansion of Don Mariano Ledesma Lacson was built in loving memory of his deceased wife, Maria Braga, after her death in 1911. So the mansion of Italian architecture was designed to be a monument of their enduring love. On the eve of World War II in 1942, the mansion was torched by the guerrilla fighters and was burning for 3 days, leaving behind the reminders of a glorious past. So, wow, this used to be a mansion there. So, it's like, imagine na lang kung nata Cebu, imagine ang Temple of Leia rin sunog. Yeah, May nabilin. So, wow. Iyaw kayo. So, this is a love story. This is a tribute to a wife. So, another good place to go here, morning ang kuan. Kana ilang fountain. You can make a wish, I guess, there. And take a lot of photos. So, guys, ay magkalimot, aray mo dire. Kung namoy panahon, and tanawa guys, how do you find this video? Lingaw, no? Nanduha, makakita na ko dahil, makakita mo sa akong nakitaan, kung makakita gyapon mo sa akong now. So, kung ganahan mo, ginganin na type of video, palit na mo Nokia. Nokia 5.1, 6.1, Nokia 7, 8, lahi ka siya. And use the Bothie feature to get stunning videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and by the way, before I go, I'd like to thank Nokia or HMD Philippines for this phone, for lending me this phone, and then also Brandcom, to our friends from Brandcom, for taking us here and taking care of us here while here in Bacolod. So thank you so much for watching, and arimos Bacolod guys, perfect time yun rumbuan na kay Mascara Festival, and if you ever come here, arigid mo sa the ruins. So kung wala mo ka-subscribe sa akong channel, please subscribe, and see you in my next adventures, and please watch my Bacolod videos. Bye bye.